really the goal is just public safety. So honestly, that's what we want to be able to do. We want to be able to get all the resources that we have together, so whenever it's time to execute, you do have a terrible situation. Again, as Sheriff Brunson said, somebody escapes from a prison. There's a situation where somebody may have killed somebody or harmed somebody and they're running from law enforcement. We want to be prepared.
When it's the real event and not a practice event, you know who to call. It saves a lot of time, because if you know that the department that you're calling doesn't have certain assets, or that they do, then that's who you're going to call. And time is of the essence when you're looking for somebody that's running in the woods.
We have 600 and something square miles here in Macon County. We have to search a lot in these rural areas. So it's critical that we get this training. We just have so many square miles of rural area that we have to know how to search these areas. We get to train with all these state agencies. We get on the same page. We learn how to communicate together. We learn how to work together as a group and as a whole. So just great training.
That's where locals come in so much to help you, and all the different teams and different agencies, because they know where to go and set up a perimeter, so you're not just running after somebody that you don't know what you're doing.
In law enforcement, it really can be life and death. So even seconds matter. So we're just grateful, one, for Macon County Sheriff's Department and Sheriff Brunson, helping to be able to let us use this area to be able to come out here and train and work with the Alabama Department of Corrections. They've got their K-9 team in conjunction with our agency. We've got a lot of divisions here. We've got our aviation unit. We've got our highway patrol unit that's here. We have our SWAT team, our SBI. They're very important from the intelligence side of this. So we're just bringing all of those resources together and really doing a rehearsal and making sure that everybody is on the same page. Again, when something happens, we're able to show up, execute, and really serve the citizens of the state of Alabama. We are grateful to the governor and to the legislator for really giving us the ability to have the resources to be able to go out and do these types of things. Thankful for the leadership at the Alabama Department of Corrections, and of course with us at the Alabama Law Enforcement Agency, and even the sheriff, to be able to do this. I mean, it took the leaders coming together, seeing a need, and for us to be able to come out and execute this.